pretty sure I'm Italian. Another awkward video, of course. Now I'm going to do just cooking pasta in general. This works for pretty much anything except for tortellini, which you do in chicken broth. So a pot of water boiling. You want it to be a rapid boil before you put any pasta in, and then I'm going to add salt. And I use the box of salt because I put a lot. You want it salty like the sea, and so I just a lot of salt in there. Make sure that's boiling rapidly. And then put the pasta in. Carefully, because it splashes.
Yeah, please don't splash me.
And then mix it up a bit, just so it doesn't stick. And with fresh pasta, you're only going to cook it for like 3 minutes or so. That's fine. Okay. All right. So that's about done. You taste it. You want a nice little al dente, which is not chewy. I use this because it's easier, but whenever you're doing with the sauce, you just take a scoop of the water because you always want to put pasta water into the sauce. But for this, I just like to use my metal thing, and then I can transfer it to whatever sauce I'm doing, and then I can scoop out how much pasta water I want. And that's how you cook fresh pasta.